Hey, welcome back my people. So, lately there has been a lot of escalation in Gaza with the Palestinians and the Israelis. So I thought I should post some clips from the latest escalation. And the first clip we're gonna see is a PIJ rocket failing, and it impacts with a home and kills 4 Palestinian children. I'm not even gonna bother putting any audio to that, so because it's so short, it's just gonna mess it up even more. So, now moving on, now we're gonna see Israeli Defence Force utilizes an unknown missile to destroy PIJ guard post. Holy shit, you guys. Boom! So, moving on, now we're gonna see the Israeli Air Force conducting a precision airstrike in Gaza.
لسه صبغة صبغة ابعد على سلامتكم صبغة.
This is so fucking crazy, you guys. So fucking crazy. But we're still moving on to the final clip, and we're gonna see Israeli gunship dominate PIJ rocket storage compound. Let's go. So guys, as promised, I said I was gonna diversify with the clips. I'm gonna post more international, not only Ukraine, Russia. And yeah, so subscribe to support my shit. Also drop a like so more people see the clips. And yeah, I don't censor any shit, so I don't get anything from YouTube. So I appreciate all donations as well in the links below. And those of you that have already donated, thank you so much, very much appreciated. You already helped me to get a new mic and all this shit, so thank you guys. Peace out, see you in the next one.